Hello everyone, welcome to Mystic Pose Studio. This is the second video in our two-part series. In the first part, I demonstrated how chameleon powders interact with different color backgrounds. Today, I'll be showing you how eyeshadow powders work with various background colors. So let's begin. First, I've mixed my resin and hardener, setting it aside for a bit. I'm using similar molds to the ones in the last video so you can easily compare the results. For this project, I am repurposing an eyeshadow palette that I accidentally dropped a few months ago while traveling, putting it to good use in resin art. Now let's quickly brush the molds with different eyeshadows using clean paint brushes. You can also use an eyeshadow brush for this. Before pouring in the resin mix, I am giving the molds a light tap to remove any excess bits of eyeshadow. Now let's start pouring. Just like in the previous video, I am filling the three molds with clear, white and black resin mixes. For the white and black mixes, I've used resin pigments to achieve the colors. I leave this to cure for at least 12 hours. It's time to demold. I'll remove the pieces one by one and see the result. Just like with the chameleon powders, the eyeshadow on the clear background looks neat and rarely pops. The white background once again highlights all the unevenness and clutter of the colors. This was the same result with the chameleon powders, so I'd advise being very careful and precise when brushing colors onto a white base. It needs to be done evenly for the best results. The black resin mix has really made the colors stand out and the bookmark looks great. Here is a comparison between the chameleon powders and the eyeshadows in different backgrounds. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.